What's up, guys? Charles Cerrito here, and we're gonna do the intro thingy.
Too fast, too furious.
Just kidding. Let's just get straight to the point. The TFF video wouldn't be complete without EDM.
3, 2, 1.
Booty. Jump cuts. And of course, Ferraris. So really, why is my face in front of this video this time? If you guys haven't noticed, myself and Chasen are usually not in the forefront of these videos, and we're gonna make a change to that. In our new videos, we're gonna implement more of a vlog style, but at the same time, still maintaining that cinematic feel. In this particular video that we're showing, this is our showreel. I've been procrastinating for about 3 months on this one, and I finally got a desk that I can work at, and I think you could say it's made me slightly more productive. So if you like what you see here, I gotta ask, you gotta click that like button. See that like, the button right there? Click it. Click the like button. And if you got something to say about it, leave a comment. And if you guys wanna show some love, share this video. Tell your friends about it, tell your mom, or share it with somebody that would want a video just like this. All right, I'm gonna get my face out of your screen and go ahead and roll this video. Let's go!